Before we proceed to understand information gain in the decision tree algorithm, let's first understand entropy. So entropy is an important part of the information gain calculation, and we are going to take a simpler example to understand entropy. So suppose you want to toss a coin and record the outputs. Let's say you toss a coin 5 times and you get 5 heads and 0 tails. So now this is your data. Your data consists of all these outcomes, 5 heads and 0 tails. And if you were to have this data, which is given by S, so S is your data, and you have 5 heads and 0 tails. So now the 5 here represents your heads that you recorded, and 0 tails is given by these two values in your entropy calculation. And what about this 5? Let's take another color for that. So this 5 in the denominator signifies the total number of times that you toss the coin. So total number of data instances. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose we have 2 heads and 2 tails. Then the total number of instances is equal to 4. So that is given by these, right? And heads and tails. So notice here that we have log to the base 2. So log is always calculated to the base 2 in entropy calculations. So for only 2 possible outcomes, so here we have a coin, so there are only 2 possible outcomes, either heads or tails, right? So the maximum value that this can have is